Hey, adventure lovers! If you're into camping, hiking, or survival gear, today's video is just for you. We're checking out some of the best EDC essentials for outdoor enthusiasts. Gear that can literally save your life or just make your trips way more enjoyable. So, let's jump right in. First up, we've got this all-in-one survival and first aid kit from Luxmom. And trust me, this thing is packed. It's designed by survival experts and has 142 pieces, including 21 survival tools, a 106-piece first aid kit, and even a fishing tools set. If you're camping, hiking, or off-roading, this is a must-have. Key features: comes with fire-starting tools, so you never struggle to light a campfire. Includes a hatchet, flashlight, wire saw, and survival bracelet. A dual-tube whistle for emergencies. Compact and lightweight, fits perfectly in your backpack. Whether you're deep in the woods or just need an emergency backup in your car, this kit has you covered. Now, let's talk about the ultimate outdoor tool. This camping shovel and axe kit by Sahara Sailor. Whether you're digging, chopping, hammering, or even sawing, this tool does it all. Why it's awesome. Military-grade carbon steel, rust-proof, ultra-durable. The handle extends up to 38.9 inches, perfect for tough jobs. Built-in paracord and emergency flashlight because staying prepared is key. Comes in a portable toolbox, making it easy to carry and store. If you want one tool that does everything, this is it. Now, this isn't just any walking stick. This is a full-blown tactical staff that can handle anything. What makes it special? Made from 6061T6 aluminum alloy, meaning it's practically indestructible. Fully customizable, adjust it from 4 to 8 sections for your perfect height. Weighs only 3.74 pounds, but can support a full-grown adult with ease. 15 plus built-in tools, because why carry one tool when you can have everything in one? This is a must-have for hikers who want a reliable, multi-purpose tool in their gear. No EDC kit is complete without a solid pocket knife. Meet the CJRB Pyrite-Light, a sleek, well-crafted knife that's perfect for outdoor adventures. Standout features: 3.34-inch AR RPM 9 Wharncliffe blade, sharp, durable, and great for precision cuts. Ergonomic handle, comfortable and easy to grip. Pocket clip for easy carry. Lifetime warranty, because quality matters. Whether you're camping, hunting, or just need a good utility knife, this one's a great choice. This is your go-to survival pack. Not only is it a heavy-duty tactical sling bag, but it also comes with 250 essential survival items. What's inside? What's in? First aid kit, because safety comes first. 12-in-1 multi-tool, survival bracelet, tactical pen, and wire saw. Emergency tent shelter and raincoat, because weather can be unpredictable. Fishing kit and fire starter for those real survival moments. This backpack is ready for anything. If you're serious about outdoor survival, this is a must-have. Because even in the wild, good food matters. This camping cookware kit has everything you need for a solid meal outdoors. Why you'll love it: lightweight anodized aluminum cookware, non-stick and super durable. Comes with plates, cups, cutlery, and a kettle, so you don't have to eat like a caveman. Packs down small and weighs only 2.75 pounds. Easy to carry. If you love cooking while camping, this kit is a game changer. Next, we've got this MOSSY OAK 19-in-1 multi-tool, because you never know when you'll need a quick fix. What's included? Pliers, wire cutters, screwdrivers, can opener, saw, hammer, and more. Self-locking design, so it's always secure when in use. Comes with a pocket clip and pouch for easy carrying. Every camper or hiker needs a solid multi-tool, and this one is built to last. This is another great multi-tool, similar to the Sahara Sailor, but with some extra ruggedness. Key features: high carbon steel construction, tough and rust resistant. Folding design, lightweight and easy to carry. Multi-use axe for chopping, self-defense, or hammering. Screw-on extension handles, adjustable for comfort. When you need an all-in-one outdoor tool, this shovel and axe kit won't let you down. Leatherman is a legend in the multi-tool world, and their 19-in-1 Signal multi-tool is built for adventure. What makes it unique? Fire starter, whistle, and hammer built in. Compact and lightweight, only 7.5 ounces. 25-year warranty because they stand behind their gear. This is a perfect addition to your EDC setup. And finally, we have the Dusor 21-in-1 Survival Kit, a compact but powerful EDC kit for any adventurer. What's inside? Knife, fire starter, wire saw, tactical pen, emergency blanket, compass, and more. Compact waterproof case, easy to store and carry. Perfect for gifting. If you're looking for a survival kit that's small but packed with essentials, this one's a great option. All right, guys, that wraps up our top EDC essentials for outdoor enthusiasts. Which of these would you take on your next adventure? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Stay safe, stay adventurous, and I'll see you in the next one.